Hey, what's happening, YouTube? Mike texted me last night, wanted to know if I want to go digging today. And sure as heck, I always want to go digging. My wife gets mad because I always want to dig. But who knows? Maybe someday we'll be rich. Alright. Alright, we're going to go meet Mr. Mike and then get this dig started. So I'll get back to you if we find anything good. Hey, what's happening, YouTube? Hey, we're at a fairly old site, a few foundations, stone wall running up there, foundations right there, and first signal, I thought I got a silver coin, but I ended up getting the top of an old perfume bottle. Aluminum, chrome coated, and find anything neat and get back to you. You guys stalled here and found this. I usually won't show my mule shoes and my horseshoes, but I thought this one was pretty cool. You still see the old nails in it. And why would one side be worn down more than the other? Yeah, we'll never know. Alright, find anything else. We'll get back to you. What's going on, guys? Hey, you heard the expression, curiosity killed a cat. Well, I just spent like 15 minutes digging a signal. And yeah, it killed the cat. Decent signal, and everybody knows that these sound good. So, I'll show you what it is. Ta-da! She was in there, but it was under that damn thing. A little crunchy. Oh well. Yeah, rung up, you know. Could have been a coin and I walked away. But we dug it. We'll throw it in the pouch. Take it out. Yeah, guys, 603 Diggers back with you. I got a mid-range sound, and took me a little while to get to it. You can see all them roots right there. And it was way up in there. Yeah, just pop it out. I ain't even looked at it yet. And get some roundness. It could be a button. Ranged is a button. So we'll see. Oh. No, it's not a button, guys. I don't feel no shank. Ring up awful low too. I mean, something coming through there. Let's let it dry and we'll give it a little rub here and a little rub there and see what we got. Might be a token. I'm seeing a 100 come through there, I believe. You know, there's awful weird ring up. But there's so much stuff in this ground. I mean, it's just, well, let's see. What's the VDI? 5960. I've actually found Indian heads in that range. So I'm focusing more towards the token. Don't seem to be reeded. Yeah, I think it's an Indian. Looks like the wreath on the back on the obverse. I mean the reverse. The bus coming through. Let me see what I can't do and I'll get back to you guys. Well, hey guys, 603 Diggers back with you. Well, we cleaned that coin up. And it ended up being a 1902 Indian. 10-year round, so you can see. And way down there in the roots. Yeah, I hit it with my flashlight just right. You can see the date. And it's got the big shield. Hey, I'd like to thank mainly Dirt Fishing for helping me out in my new channel. And there's a few other people out there. I'll thank in my next video. But yeah, things are going good. Just the thumbs up coming slowly but surely. You know, I do this because I like to do it. And I've been on vacation all week, so I've been posting like a son of a gun. But I've also taken the time to sit down and actually edit them. I mean, you find something decent, and when I first started, it was like, nah. You like it, you don't, you don't. But I watched a few of them, and my head's sideways. But hey, just starting out, you're learning. Just like this hobby, you know, you can't learn it in a day. You find anything else cool, I'll turn you back on. Yeah, what's going on YouTube? I just got a pretty decent signal here. It's in my headphones. Turn you around, eh? I'm jumping all over the place. But there's so much iron in here. Let's see if I can walk onto it. Yeah, 77, 79. Weird numbers. Let's give it a dig and check it out. It ain't very deep. It's only reading a couple of inches. Yeah. Something sticking out of the hole. Ah, we found a ZIPPO. And it is a ZIPPO. And that script there means it's probably really 80s. They got a few different scripts on the bottom that say ZIPPO. And then you can kind of date the age by that. Or if you pull this case out, oh, it's got, yeah, I've got a skier. That's kind of cool. I collect ZIPPOs. Somebody out here hunting or hiking might have lost it. Yeah, I'm saying that's early to mid 80s. That's second target in this place. And we're not right on the foundation either. So, that's cool. Anything else, we'll get back to you. Hey, what's going on, guys? I just come across the dump for this place everybody dug in. I just figured it was cool. Just, you know, a lot of old stuff. Yeah, that would have been a nice one. Anybody want a boot? Alright, I should just figured I'd show you that, guys. Alright, find something else to get back to you. Alright, guys, we're wrapping up the hunt now. We're gonna go try someplace else. This is what we got today. We got that mule shoe. We got some ox shoes, which that one was under that big rock. Good signal. I thought it was a coin, but I guess not. A true glow. I got a perfume bottle cap. Some copper. Some clad. Some bullets. That 1902 Indian. That ZIPPO, which is cool. I'll clean that up when I get home. Find out what year it is and I'll post it. And then Mike's with me today. Mike found that brass shield. It's got holes all the way around it, slot. Some kind of a badge, you know, let me know. Alright guys, thanks for watching.